Hello students, welcome back. In today's video, we will solve few questions on decimals. Here, the first main, write the decimal for the shaded part of the following. Here, in the first one, out of 10 boxes, 3 boxes are colored. So, in the whole number part, it is 0 and out of 10, only 3 parts are colored. So, here, we'll place the decimal point and then the 3 out of 10s. Yes. The second one whole is colored. Along with that, the next one, it is also divided into 10 equal parts, but out of 10 equal parts, only 4 parts are colored. So here we can say one whole point. How many out of 10 parts? 4 out of 10 parts. So 1 by 4. Next main, arrange the following decimals in order from least to greatest, means from smallest to greatest. Here the numbers are like this: 0.6, 0.45, 0.9 and 0.75. In the first number it is only one digit after a decimal point. In the second number it is two digits, and third number again one digit. Again in the fourth number there are two digits. So here what we need to do before comparing, we'll have to convert the unlike decimals into like decimals, so that maximum number of digits are two digits. So first number also will convert it into two digits after a decimal point. So here it will be 0.6, we'll add 0, then 0.45 as it is two digits. Next 0.9 as 0.90, we'll add 10, then 0.75 as it is. Now there are two digits in all the numbers after a decimal point. Now we can compare. Tell me which is the smallest decimal now? Yes, the smallest decimal is 0.45. 0.45. Next smaller decimal is 0.60. Next smaller decimal is 0.75 and the greatest is 0.90. So whenever we are comparing unlike decimals, first we'll have to convert it into like decimals and then compare. Next main, solve the addition problems. Whenever we are adding decimal numbers, we have to keep in mind the decimal point. First we'll arrange the numbers vertically. 0.34 and 0. Decimal point should be placed under decimal point itself. Then 2, 1. 4 plus 5, 1 is 5. 3 plus 2 is 5. Decimal point and then 0 plus 0, 0. Now the total is 0.55. Similarly, 1.2 plus sign. We have to write the plus sign. Plus 0.45. You can't write 1.2 and then here somewhere 0.45. If you write like this, your whole answer will be wrong. Below the decimal point only, we have to place the next number's decimal point. Now here, if you want, you can add 0 next to the 2. 0 plus 5 is 5 itself. 4 plus 2 is 6. And the decimal point as it is. And then 1 plus 0 is 1. So the answer is, yes, 1.65. Convert the fractions to decimals. Here 1 by 2 is the first fraction. We know 1 by 2 is nothing but half. Half is nothing but 0.5. Let us check. 2 what times is 10? First what we have to convert the denominator to 10. Let us convert the denominator to 10. So this 2 should become 10. 2 odd times is 10. 2 5 times is 10. Same number will multiply with the numerator. 1 5 times is 5 and 2 5 times is 10. Now we have 5 by 10. Whenever we divide, yes, by 10, we know in 10 there will be 1 0. So from the right to the left, one time we have to move and then place the decimal point, right? So here it can be, whole number will be 0. So which is equal to 0.5. Next, 3 by 5. 5 what times is 10? 5 2 times is 10. Similarly, we'll multiply 3 into 2. Now 3 2 times is 6 and 5 2 times is 10. Now from the right to left, if we move, here will be the decimal point. So 0.6. Next, compare the decimals using greater, lesser or equal sign. Here 0.8 and 0.87 we'll have to compare. First of all, you will look at the whole number. Whole number place it is 0. So both are equal. Then we'll move to tens place. Tens place also it is 8. Then we'll have to move to hundreds place. There is no number here in the first number. But in the second number 7 is there. So can we say it is greatest? Yeah, we can say. Before that, we'll have to make the unlike decimal to like decimal by adding 0. Here is 1 digit and in the second number 2 digits are there. So the first number also we'll make it as 2 digits by adding 0. So 80 and 87. You compare between 80 and 87, which is greater? 87. So here we can say 0.80 is lesser than 0.87. Similarly, 0.63 and 0.63 whole numbers are same, decimal numbers are same, so it will be equals. So students, I hope this video was useful. Thanks for watching and keep supporting.